So today we are going to make egg Kejriwal, an iconic dish that surprisingly has nothing to do with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, this dish was named after Mr. Devi Prasad Kejriwal, a club member from Mumbai's elite Wellington Club. Though he belonged to a strictly vegetarian Madhwari family, he had a soft spot for eggs. He would always order the same thing: toast with cheese, green chilies, and a perfectly fried sunny side up egg on top. That combo became so famous the club simply started calling it Egg Kejriwal, and well, the name stuck. And now this dish is a cafe's favorite all over the country. The key part: the egg should be sunny side up with a soft, slightly running yolk. Yes, it is a little messy but totally worth it. Here comes the recipe part. In a pan, add little butter and toast any bread of your choice: pav, burger bun, or simply white bread. I am using a burger bun. Toast it just a little. Don't let it get too crispy. Now, on one half, spread some green chutney and place a cheese slice on top. If you don't like cheese, no worries. On the other half, I am showing you the version without cheese, just chutney. Cover the pan and turn off the gas. Let the cheese melt gently without burning the bun from below. Now take the buns out and keep them aside. Let the cheese completely melt or like this. Now in the same pan add a little bit more butter, then toss in finely chopped onions, tomatoes and some green chilies. Sprinkle a little salt, red chili powder and black pepper powder. Mix everything well. Now make two small cavities in the mix and crack one egg into each. Cover and cook, but do not flip the eggs because we want them sunny side up with the soft yolk on the top. Then sprinkle a little salt, chaat masala and fresh coriander leaves on top of the eggs for added flavor. Once done, carefully cut the eggs apart in the middle so you have two separate eggs for each, one each for the one. Place your toasted bun on a plate, one with cheese, one without cheese, and gently place a sunny side up egg on the top of each. And that's it. Serve it hot and enjoy the melty, spicy, and runny magic of egg Kejriwal. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments. Will you try this?